Imagine an order is placed, inventory is reserved, payment also succeeds. But then a downstream service fails. How do you recover? Well, until now, handling that rollback with Lambda function meant stitching together queues, databases, and custom state management. However, AWS Lambda Durable Function changes that. Now you can build resilient, long running workflows in pure code in your Lambda handler. In this course, you will start by learning every building block of durable function from scratch. Then you will put it all together by building Quanta Sneaks, a real-world sneaker drop system featuring payment processing, human approval workflows, fraud detection, and automatic recovery from failures using Saga pattern. You will learn how to test durable functions locally, monitor them in production, and how to deploy using AWS CDK. By the end of this course, you will know how to design, build, test, and deploy durable workflows with confidence. So let's get started. Hi there. This course on AWS Lambda Durable Functions is available on Udemy, and for viewers and subscribers of Trixumo channel, I am giving it away for free for limited duration. So if you are interested, make sure to fill out this Google form, and I will send you link to enroll in the course. Thanks.